President Mnangagwa in Eswatini for National Day and Trade Fair. The 6th of September 2025, Vertical Bar by Bruce Chawanda. ZBC Vertical Bar, copyright Haniani News Online. President Emerson Mnangagwa has arrived in the Kingdom of Eswatini ahead of the country's annual independence commemorations and the official opening of the 57th International Trade Fair, scheduled for this Saturday. The Zimbabwean leader touched down at King Mswati III International Airport, where he was warmly received by the Prime Minister of Eswatini, the Right Honorable Russell Mmiso Dlamini, alongside Zimbabwe's ambassador to Eswatini and Mozambique, Victor Maitmadanda, as well as senior embassy officials. His visit underscores the close diplomatic and cultural ties between Harare and Mbabane, coming at a time when the two countries are seeking to strengthen cooperation in trade and investment. Eswatini celebrates independence every year on the 6th of September, marking its liberation from British colonial rule in 1968. The day has grown into a deeply symbolic national occasion, featuring a series of festivities that blend political pride with cultural vibrancy. This year's celebrations include the internationally recognized Umhlanga Reed Dance, traditional performances, parades, and the much-anticipated trade fair, all aimed at showcasing the resilience and unity of the Swazi nation. The main celebrations will be hosted at Somlolo Stadium in Lobamba, the royal capital, where President Mnangagwa will join King Mswati III and other dignitaries in officiating at the event. Both leaders are expected to tour the exhibition stands before officially opening the trade showcase, which serves as a hub for entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and investors. The Eswatini International Trade Fair, now in its 57th year, provides a critical platform for local and international businesses to present their products, forge partnerships, and explore new opportunities in the regional market. Beyond the exhibitions, the fair also incorporates high-level business conferences and value-addition initiatives, reflecting Eswatini's drive to promote innovation, trade competitiveness, and regional integration. The historical context of the celebrations also carries weight. President Mnangagwa's attendance at the celebrations signals Zimbabwe's continued solidarity with fellow African nations in commemorating milestones of self-determination. It also highlights Harare's interest in building stronger commercial ties with Eswatini, with the trade fair expected to open new avenues for cooperation across multiple sectors. As the festivities unfold, the blend of traditional heritage and modern commerce is expected to define this year's commemoration, reminding citizens and visitors alike of the country's journey from colonial rule to a sovereign nation firmly rooted in its cultural pride.